Sedona, Arizona, one of the most beautiful places in all of the United States, but that also makes it one of the most popular as well. Everyone wants to get a glimpse of the beauty here, and that means loads and loads of people, lots of cars, and lined up trails that can oftentimes take away from the beauty of this place. So I figured I'd make a video explaining how you can get away from all of the crowds and into some secluded areas, but still being able to see all of the amazing views as some of the most popular trails. It just makes for a much more peaceful experience being the only one out here. You get to experience solidarity and have peace of mind on some awesome hikes. So for this video, I'm gonna be covering 2 hikes over 2 days. I'll drop both of the hikes at the end of this video. That way we keep them harder to find and less known. You can find both of these hikes on AllTrails, and both are rated above a 4.5 stars. The one that I'm doing today is categorized as easy, nice and flat, and then the one that I'll do another day is categorized as hard with a lot more climbing. For today's hike, I'm located very close to a lot of the popular trails here in Sedona, but the idea is to show you guys what this looks like on a weekend in the busy season. So let's roll the tape just like a normal hiking video, and I'll show you guys all the solidarity and peace you can find out here on this trail. Okay, that is going to conclude hike number 1. I saw a whopping total of 2 people the entirety of this hike, and I was back there for almost 3 hours. So as you can see, hardly anyone out here. It's just great to experience the solidarity. But anyways, let's move on to hike number 2. We'll pick it up from another day and get it going then. Okay, welcome to day 2 of this Sedona hiking video. Today, I'm back in Oak Creek Canyon. I'm sure a lot of you are pretty familiar with it, but there's a lot of outdoor activities to do along the road. But today's hike is gonna be a hard one. We're gonna be doing a lot of climbing to reach an arch, which will be very cool to film. Maybe I can do the drone a little bit there. We'll see, but just gonna showcase again how there are not a lot of people on this trail and how I'll have most of it to myself. So without further ado, let's jump right on into it and roll the tape. Okay, we've made it to the arch, as you can see right here behind me. But as you can see, I have all of this to myself. I've been up here for almost an hour now, just taking in the scenes, getting some cool content with the drone and camera, but just goes to show that if you look for the right hike, you can enjoy all of this beautiful scenery by yourself in solidarity. It does not get much better than this. And yes, it's a harder hike, but absolutely worth it in my opinion. To be the only one up here is pretty surreal if you ask me. So let's send it back to the car and then we'll wrap up the video once we get back to the trailhead. Okay, just wrapped up the hike. It was about a 6.5 mile hike round trip with about 2,000 feet of climbing. So definitely not easy. I just want to point that out, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing how you can escape all of the crowds here in Sedona and really enjoy some solidarity on both of those hikes. The views here are amazing. It's one of the most beautiful places in the world. I said that earlier, but I just can't stress it enough. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys soon in the next video.